Bad Medicine Productions. If you saw the last video, you know that my Mercury 60 horsepower 4-stroke is pretty much done. I'll be getting a new engine for the boat, but that's why there's been not many videos. But this past weekend, we went up to York, Maine with some all-stars. Captain Tom Brown, a channel favorite, along with Cousin Bob and the YouTube sensation Joe Mizuraka. We went up and slaughtered some good-sized striped bass. But the striped bass weren't the only thing getting slaughtered. As you'll see, as Captain Tom was in rare form. Episode 10 will be broken up in a couple of different parts. We hope you enjoy part 1. In the suggestion box, they said, give me an episode with Cousin Bob, the YouTube sensation, yours truly, and Captain Ahab, Tom Brown.
How do you fucking start?
It's here. The day is here. So, Cousin Bob,
Tom, if he was so serious and fishing,
what are your thoughts about today's trip?
I'm concerned.
Joe, you seem a little nervous on the ride up here.
I was just nervous we wouldn't get here in time, man. Hey, listen. There'll be no problems today as long as you don't make mistakes. If you make mistakes, there's gonna be problems. So Joe, I have a few things to tell you guys. This is for wiping your hands. Okay. This is not for corralling the fucking fish. Alright? I watch it all the time. Fucking wrapping up the fish so you'll get your hands slippery. Alright? And we do not promote the mishandling of striped bass on this boat. Okay. Alright?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I see any mistakes, you're not gonna be touching them. I'll be doing all the touching.
Okay, Captain.
Am I wrong, Dan? Am I wrong, Bob? That's my only qualm I have with you, Joe.
Yeah, Cobra Kai, no mercy.
You?
Already 5 minutes in, Cousin Bob's splint goes for a swim. A 1.5 ounce mackerel overtook him and caused his splint to go.
Fucking unbelievable.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this is fucking good stuff.
Let me see it, bring it to me.
I got one bleeding like a stuffed pig.
Yeah, don't put them in there.
He's splattering everywhere.
That's alright.
Don't pull the rod, Bob. I have a hook in my finger here.
Yeah, let it go. I got it.
Oh, wait, it's right here. It's caught.
Oh, where, Dan? Where? Let it go.
Is there more down there? Or?
Oh, yeah, just shit down. Please follow them up a little. Watch your feet, Bob. There's fucking squirrel here. Joe, bring it up further. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Don't touch the fucking line, Bob. Hey, let it go! Lift your tip up a little bit.
Bob's got the record. Being yelled at?
No, we knew that was gonna fucking happen. Jesus Christ. I'm just glad you didn't wear that fucking stupid orange jacket today.
It's in his bag.
Dude, all you see in the fucking video is a fucking orange blob running around the fucking camera.
He thinks he's fishing in Antarctica. If you're not gonna fish, can I use that special rod of yours?
Don't touch the fucking rod, Bob. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Oh, there it is right there.
Big one. Where?
Let me get by you so I got pointed out.
Where above?
It's right there. See the dorsal fin? Ocean sunfish.
They run the fuckers over all the time in the morning.
Boy, the boats are starting to come out, huh?
Oh yeah. There's gonna be a shit show today.
Oh, crap. What do you think, yeah?
Grab one for yourself. There's one at the front of the boat.
Dan, you fucking moron. Don't yell and don't do nothing on the boat.
Tom, give me a direction.
Straight ahead. Straight ahead. As far as you can guess. You're right in it. You're in the middle of it. Over here, Joe. Straight out there. Go. Hey, Bob, what the fuck are you doing?
Where are they?
Oh my god, he got it. Straight out. Right out front. The fucking front of the fucking now, Bob. You fucking. Oh, you're. That thing right there, then?
Yeah, right there in front.
Oh, you just hit it.
Really? You get a bite?
You just hit it, yep.
You hook that, I'm gonna fucking punch you in the face.
What's that?
If you hook that, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Yeah, recapture those.
I just had a hit.
Are you in them?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, right on the fucking boat. Yeah, Dan's gonna get hit. Dan, you're on. Joe, got your fucking rod out there for Christ's sakes. Nothing behind the fucking boat. It's him.
Joe, get up front, get up front, get up front. Switch with me.
Run out of the fucking way.
I didn't put my map.
Where's your line, Bob?
What a fucking dumbass.
I didn't know I was on.
Yo, hold on. Yo, you get stuck in the fucking water. Oh my god.
No, I got it.
Oh my god. Look out, Bob. Jesus fucking. Get the fuck out of my way, Bob. Give me the rod, Joe.
Watch out for your head, Bob.
I got to put my...
What are you doing? Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Oh my god. You're fucking in my. Get that way. Oh my god.
It tingled the engine.
Joe, you're on my shit list now.
I'm sorry. I didn't know I was on.
Lucky the fish is. Oh, fuck. How the fuck is this fish still there? Alright, catch the dog in.
I got it. Oops. One hand, Thomas.
Bob, I don't want to hear excuses.
I know.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm just getting out of his way, yeah.
I never have a fucking problem when I get the kids on the boat.
Sorry. Was I caught on the engine?
Yeah. Oh.
He just jumped off.
Did he?
Yeah. I think he took the hook.
Oh, fucking fish. No, he's got the hook. Alright. I'm going back up here. You guys make me fucking nervous. That was not good. That was not good.
Could be worse. No, it can't.
Yo, just throw him. Don't fucking hook him again.
He'll find my baits. I'm gonna redeem myself, Captain.
Yeah, that was fucking awful, Joe. This gets insane. No one's getting stuck in the fucking motor ever. Fucking first fish. I watched the thing swim by with a fucking fish in his mouth. Those were all big fish too. Yeah, hook your fish higher, fast, more behind the head.
Put him in the live well, Joe.
What?
Put him in the live well.
What?
Put him in the live well.
What about you?
Don't worry about what I'm
Right
doing.
here, they're straight out. They're right here, yeah. They're right
Yeah, I see him.
What the fuck fuck you doing? Grabbing the biggest fucking mackerel. You are a fucking idiot.
I'm reading them.
Hurry up, Bob. Bob.
Yeah.
You hooking him in the fucking tail again?
Oh.
Oh my fucking god. You're gone.
They're right here. They just came across.
Jesus fucking, they're right here, Bob. This way. Out there. You are fucking, you guys suck. Jeez.
He just plumped my mackerel off.
I don't give a fuck.
I think you got one. You're ready. I think I lost the bait.
Yeah, you look the fucking right.
Get the net.
Oh, this fucking sabiki. Tom, give me a spot to cast to.
You guys gotta be better.
Which I cast to?
Doesn't matter how big the bait. No, it wasn't that. It's for no, it is Bob. I watch. It's the net. I netted the big one.
You guys make me nervous. That's behind the boat.
It's right there, right? Huh?
There we go. They're right there. Damn, they're going right to left, left to right. You guys fucked up. Yeah, right there. Damn shit over.
Am I good? Do you want me to
Tell these fucking guys in. You're in good. Yeah, let your bait drop. Let your bait drop. Bait's dead.
Oh, fuck that up.
Look up here. Yeah, look at them all. There's millions of them. Well, why you got down there? Why you fishing there? Let's cast a little fishing.
I got one. In a minute.
Do you see him, Tom?
Really shouldn't have made on today. Oh, brilliant. See that ripple in front of us?
Yep.
I think that's and don't bang the boat. Be very gingerly. Bob, slide. Can you slide to the back a little bit? Give Joe the front.
Go to the front of the boat.
Yep. Let me get out your way too.
Okay.
Bob, you need a tag in? Why is Bob holding his hand out for a tag?
That's a good fish. Joe, as far as you can cast one flush. When you get untangled, they go, all right?
Nice fish, Dan. Wow. Wow, nice fish.
Joe, Joe's hanging over there. Joe, that. Well, what do you got? It's a good fish. Swallow again?
No.
Wow, nice. Alright, my job is done. So you're in. You're in. You're getting a bite. Right in.
Yeah, it's a nice fish. Real nice.
Hey, Bob, let me get in. I'll take it. Bob is bigger than mine.
Huh?
Much bigger than mine.
Joe, really is in a little bit. You're way too much slack.
Fish.
Recast if you can. They're right there. They're a little further up in front of us.
Come over here with the camera, Bob.
Joe,
Cousin
as far as
Bob's.
you can cast, 12 o'clock.
Cousin Bob, right here. All right.
Nice.
Joe,
Thanks, Dan.
11 o'clock. As far as you can
Wow,
cast.
that's a nice fish. About 20 pounds. Probably.
That's
Nice.
10, but I guess that's okay.
Tom, that was a nice fish.
You know what?
Alright, so Dan.
Yep.
Look at me. See that little thing on the front? That little like
Ball?
pedal?
This
Little
thing?
foot pedal? No, the back. I'm sorry, the back.
This thing here?
That little foot pedal.
Yeah.
Push that down with your left hand. Push with your left hand.
Yep.
You grab that knob. And it's gonna tilt like this, Dan. The whole thing's gonna tilt like this.
Yeah.
And then you can still pull it up and then secure it.
So I got it?
Yeah, you might want to jump up there and shoot. In. Yep.
Did you pull it up first or you just pull it
All the
down?
way up.
Alright.
You stand up on the front, you can probably just pull it up. No, yeah, that's fine. Don't get touched off. Pull it. Now
Yeah.
pull it towards your left, and then stick the knob in that little black thing. Dan,
Like this?
look to your left. See the little black thing sticking in? Your other left, Dan.
This one here?
Dan, your other left.
This left right here.
Look, Dan, look at me. Right there. Left hand. Move your left hand left.
Yep.
Down the shaft. Move it to the left hand. Your other left hand. Your other left.
This is my right hand.
Are we on video?
This is my right hand.
Are we on fucking video?
No.
Joe, can you go up there and take care of it, please? Sure, thank you. Go up there. Joe. Yeah?
This is my right.
Yeah, no shit.
What do you
Joe,
wanna do?
see the little knob there?
Which
right
one?
there. Your left, Joe. There you go, Joe.
Yeah.
See the knob?
Right here.
Put it inside that little clip.
Alright. I got it.
Oh, put the thing. Put
Put it right in there.
the knob has to go in it, right?
And then now twist it so it's tight. Jesus fucking Christ. You know left and right, bro?
Am I it?
Wow.
That's not on video, right?
All right, start the motor. Dan, you're on timeout now. That was unbelievable. Thanks for the trip, Joe.
Well, it's tough when you're talking like Ron Jeremy, shaft. I mean, left, right.
Dan, you want a drink?
Huh?
You want a drink?
No, I'm good.
Come on, dude. You gotta admit.
You said left. I was looking up there. You didn't say back
You
there.
left, you're looking right.
I'm good. Right there? Yeah.
You want some chips or granola bar?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, Joe. It's fishing time. Put the food away.
Shut the motor off. Shut the motor?
Yep.
Yeah, these are all fucking fish. Now, deploy, Dan, deploy that. Yes, they're right there, Joe.
You motherfucker, you got one mackerel?
Quiet, you don't have to slam anything.
Just
This is big. Which way? Get the fuck out of my way.
Dan, right? Do that. Dan, they're 20 feet out. You're wrapped around the tip. You're good. Joe, 20 feet out, straight out. 12 o'clock, Joe. Yeah, just look over. He's got a small bait on his line, and he's got a big one on the floor he's trying to switch out.
where are they?
Right in. Out there as far as you can cast. Walk, move left a little so I can get my... You can always reach you from the beach.
My guy's running for his life already.
Joe, reel it. There's a whole cord reeling it.
This guy swam away.
Dan, as
He's-
far as you can cast.
Yep. Oh, fuck me. Mother.
Fucking kidding me?
See if he gets to.
Really in with a motherfucker.
I know, don't slam.
You guys really do suck. You fucking got god awful. Yeah, look at that. I can take my fucking thing off, right? Yeah, no shit, dummy.
There's like 100 of them out there.
Oh, finally you can see him. Up, up.
There's 100 of them out there.
Watch the engine, everybody.
Yeah, boom, boom. Got nothing.
Holy shit, Tom, there's like 50, 60 of them out here.
Oh shit, Bob. What do you think I've been yelling at you guys for? Yelling at you guys for? There's gonna be 3,000 fish in that school. Just keep coming.
Everyone's out there too.
Joe, you still on?
Yeah. You want to help me get this one?
Yeah, why don't you?
Is that you, Tom?
I'll get yours. Give it back.
That one bigger than yours?
Lift up your tip. Whose line just swim under the fucking boat?
Yours, Tom.
It better be mine.
Yours. Oh my God, look at them all swimming next to the
Towards my
boat.
left. My left.
Holy shit, look at them.
Where are they, Bob?
It's like 40, 50 of them swimming right, not even 10 feet from the boat. Got one, yeah? Nice.
Thank you.
Ian, you on?
Yeah.
Probably fucking 3,000.
Look up my
Which way?
To the right. I think they're up to the right. They're right on the behind Bob and back.
That's all right.
Bob, what the fuck are you doing that for? Did you see what he just did? You always want to make sure the bail's open before you can. I see it.
Put it on right.
Yep.
They're out back here. These Zingos will be casting all day over there. This will be.
Nice fish, Dan. Wow.
Smaller than mine, but it's something.
What? They're all over here.
He's going for the sunfish.
Let's go.
Oh, nice fish.
He's going for the ocean sunfish.
See, they're all turning on each other. No loyalty here.
Somebody just get chased or somebody just cast.
I just cast.
Need some help, Dan? Wow.
Let me get a quick picture, if you can.
Nice fish.
Okay, get him back in.
You get the release on this side. Different recording.
One of them is staying here close. not so tight. You know what I mean? No.
Don't make that. Could have a video fucking snafu. Damn it.